iQOO.
Summarizing iQOO 9 Pro for you. It is loaded with some revolutionary features. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, best combination of 120-watt flash charge and 50-watt wireless flash charge, 2K E5 AMOLED display, the innovative 3D ultrasonic large fingerprint sensor with the best stabilization solution in the industry, 50 megapixel GN5 gimbal camera and 50 megapixel 150-degree fisheye wide-angle camera. This is a real monster.
Now, summarizing iQOO 9 for you. It has segment-leading Snapdragon 888 Plus intelligent display chip without lot of other gaming features like full coverage liquid cooling system, in-display dual monster touch, dual X-axis linear motors. Along with that, iQOO 9 also supports technologies like our revolutionary 120-watt flash charge and 48 megapixel gimbal camera system. Now, I know you all are waiting for the price. But before that, let me share one more surprise for you. iQOO 9 SE. It will be a special edition in iQOO 9 series portfolio, powered by pink colors, Sunset Sierra and Space Fusion. It is packed with many incredible features like full coverage liquid cooling system, extended RAM 2.0, 66-watt flash charge, and 48 megapixel OIS triple rear camera. The iQOO 9 series offers the most powerful iQOO devices that we have ever made.
Now, coming to the prices of our smartphones. The iQOO 9 Pro 8GB variant will be available for Rs 64,990 and the 12GB variant will be available for Rs 69,990. The iQOO 9 8GB variant is available for Rs 42,990 and the iQOO 9 12GB variant is available for Rs 46,990. Pre-orders for iQOO 9 start from 23rd February on Amazon.in. The iQOO 9 SE 8GB variant will be available for Rs 33,990 and the iQOO 9 SE 12GB variant will be available for Rs 37,990. Pre-orders for iQOO 9 SE start from 2nd March